In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Wix. If you want to make your text easier to read or simply improve the overall look of your website, changing the font size in Wix is a very quick adjustment. This is especially useful if a heading looks too small, a paragraph feels too large, or you just want your page to look more balanced and professional. To get started, go to the page on your Wix website where the text appears. Once you're on the correct page in the editor, find the specific text you want to update. This could be a title, a heading, a subtitle, or a regular paragraph. When you've found it, click directly on that text box so Wix knows exactly which text element you want to edit. After selecting the text, look toward the top of the editing options. There you'll see the current font size displayed as a number. This number represents the size of the selected text. Click on that font size number to change it. Depending on the editor view, you may be able to type in a new number manually or choose a different size from the available options. As you adjust the font size, pay attention to how the text looks on the page. A slightly larger size can make important information stand out more clearly, while a smaller size can help keep your layout clean and organized. The goal is to make your content readable without making the page feel crowded. Once you choose the new font size, the text will update right away, so you can immediately see the result. If it doesn't look quite right, you can simply click the size again and make another adjustment until it matches the style you want. That's really all there is to it. In Wix, changing font size is as simple as selecting the text and updating the number shown in the top toolbar. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how your website feels to visitors. If you're editing multiple text sections on the same page, it's a good idea to keep your sizing consistent so your site looks polished and intentional. And before you finish, take one last look at the page to make sure everything feels visually balanced. That's how to change font size in Wix.